निर्गुणोऽपि हि अजो अव्यक्तो भगवान् प्रकृते परः स्वमायां गुणमावश्य बाध्यबाधकतां गतः. The Supreme Personality Godhead Vishnu is always transcendental material qualities, and therefore he is called Nirguna or without qualities. Because he is unborn, he does not have a material body to be subjected to attachment and hatred. Although the Lord is always above the material existence, through his spiritual potency, he appeared and acted like an ordinary human being, accepting duties and obligations, apparently like a conditioned soul. So Krishna's Leela is not easy. It is said even Vaishnava Kriya Mudra we cannot understand. How to understand Krishna's activities, correct? The great Acharyas, even we don't know why they are acting sometimes. Because their activities are on, see our tendency is Atmavat Manate Jagat. जैसा हमारा मन चलता है हम सोचते हैं उसका ही वैसे चल रहा है, right? वो हमारा natural tendency है. So when we therefore कृष्ण की लीला भागवत में yesterday also we discussed वो protect करके रखा हुआ. It has been protected and kept in the 10th canto, so that people go through 9 cantos and understand properly. Then a question may be, can we read Krishna book? You can read, no problem. But Prabhupada has given a lot of explanations so that you do not make a misunderstanding of Krishna Leela. Avyaktam vyaktim apannam manate mam abudaya param bhavam ajananto ma bhuta maheswaram. Even though Krishna is transcendental, लेकिन लोग क्या सोचते हैं? Before Krishna had no personality, now he has assumed personality. है ना? ऐसा नहीं है. God is eternally. Eternally God is there in the spiritual world and having wonderful pastime. Just like Vrindavan we go, Mayapur we go. Actually this is the manifestation of Krishna's pastime on earth. But these pastimes are eternally going in the spiritual world. Just a trailer देखते हैं ना movie का. We see trailer? It's like that. Krishna's pastime, how much long? 125 years he manifested. From Bali Leela to finally finishing all the Kauravas and disappearing from the world. But this is just a trailer. Eternally these Leelas are going on in the spiritual world. So this gets a important point. So I was just analyzing something which will come in the purport later, 2-3 purports later. Prabhupada says how much somebody got Krishna's mercy, we can see very easily. अगर mercy total भी नहीं है, तमोगुण, total तमोगुण, कृष्ण का कोई कृपा नहीं मिला. तमोगुण मतलब it's almost like a जानवर, animal. The person, what is the behavior it will show? A tamasic person. He will be very sleeping. He'll harm himself. Yesterday we were discussing. Some people do know, they take we will get scared. They are killing themselves. They are smoking, drinking, correct? Whatever they are doing is neither good for them, neither good for anybody. Madness. So that is tamasic behavior. So almost like an animal. Simply, sometimes you see. Shri Radha Govinda ki. I remember once I was going someplace. I saw one donkey, gada wahan pe khada tha. 2 hours later I finished work and came here still standing there. Meaningless life. Simply. You have seen? Sometimes you see in the beach, dogs are there, they're running this way, that way, simply running. No meaning. You can ask him why you are running, he doesn't know. Simply running. आजकल भी लोग भी वैसे ही हो गए, सुबह सुबह रोड में दौड़ते रहते. You ask him why you are running, simply running. Crazy. They say health. Very nowadays people are very, I should be very healthy. A healthy person also dies. That is not your security. That I have very good muscles. आजकल very people go to gym. है ना? How much popular are these gyms? For men gyms and for ladies this music dance. You have seen that? Below that, in the evening you see they will put on music and all will be dancing together. Some nonsense film music. Why don't they hear Krishna Naam and dance? They will benefit also. They will get spiritual happiness also. What is the use of all this? So people are over concerned about their bodily health. But they should not forget that that anybody can die. Correct? It's not person who dies is sick. Anybody can die at any moment. है ना? Accident होता तो क्या healthy आदमी मरता उसमें. Correct? Sometimes actually too much we relate to the health. Point is that when a time is there for the soul to leave, it will leave. Your body, whatever condition, it does not watch. Correct? It has time to leave, it will leave. People say when you have heart attack, you die. I say when you die, then you have heart attack. When soul has to leave the body, what happened? He died. Heart attack, and therefore he died. Reverse. Because soul had to leave the body, heart also stopped functioning. Kyun bhai? Is it reasonable? That's my analysis. So anyway, so we should not be too much concerned. So the tamasic person means whatever he is doing is harming himself. It is not good for anybody. जैसे सो रहा है 15 घंटे 20 घंटे सो गया. It actually too much sleeping also harms the body. है ना? He is harming himself. Therefore he is called mad. Tamoguna, whatever you can say is madness is tamoguna. ठीक है? You said selfishness, that is rajoguna. At least something he is doing for himself. Tamoguna is not even benefiting himself. You understand? Sattva-guna, he works for the pleasure of the Lord. Rajoguna, he works for his own pleasure. Tamoguna, neither. Neither it is good for him, neither it is good for anybody. He is taking a needle of drugs. And you have seen that in the hand they put. Yeah. You have seen anybody like that? No experience. But you have seen photographs. Their hand already is gone. 100 needle marks. One more, they are putting drugs. Neither good for him. Somebody is smoking. Is it good for him? No. Is it good for anybody? No. Therefore it is called madness. You cannot call that person selfish. Selfish is at least better. At least he is trying to benefit somebody. Tamoguna is not benefiting anybody. Therefore total madness. So we can see he has no mercy of God. Correct? See in that way. इसको भगवान का कृपा नहीं मिला. क्या कर रहा है ना? We see there are some street urchins also. Mangalore में एक दो रहते हैं बेवकूफ. You have to be careful. They come sometimes. I have seen that. बाल ऐसे हैं पूरे रोड में इधर उधर भटकते रहते हैं पूरे दिन. Sometime in near डस्टबिन के पास कोई लेटा रहेगा. होता है ना? उसका क्रिया कि ना किसी को बेनिफिट कर रहा है ना वो कर सकता है. There was one person, they used to come where we were in the previous Kadri Kamla, and old man used to say, I want 10 rupees urgently. So we did not give. And after a few days, family came. वो पैसे के लिए तो उसको नहीं देना. नहीं कि क्यों? दारू के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा करता है. लोगों से मांग के इकट्ठा करके फिर पीता है. घर वाले नहीं देते पैसा दारू को. So that is called tamasic. Agreed? What is rajasic? Rajasic means, what is it? He's selfish. काम एश क्रोध एश रजोगुणा समुद्भव. दिस आर रजोगुणा. तमोगुण में आता रात. मार दे इसको. दैट इज तमोगुणा. रजोगुण में थोड़ा गुस्सा. रजोगुणा मीन्स प्रेस्टीज, पोजिशन, पावर. दीज आर ऑल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ रजोगुणा. तो भगवान का कृपा अब इसको भी नहीं मिला अभी थोड़ा. सत्वगुण में अभी समझ सकते हैं भगवान का कृपा मिलना शुरू हुआ. मन शांत. ठीक है? तो भगवान के आगे बैठने के बाद भगवान क्या हुआ भाई, कुछ तो आप कृपा करिए. कह रहे ये लेने का भगवान से. हाँ, हम लोग जानते भी नहीं क्या मांगने का. तो सत्वगुण में एटलीस्ट मन शांत. रजोगुण तमो काम लोभ निकल जाता है. मन में कोई इंद्रिय भोग का इच्छा नहीं. मन शांत. दिस इज सत्वगुण. तो भक्ति तो बहुत दूर है. एटलीस्ट दिस मच शुड बी देयर. ठीक है ना? We should have this much effect. Very blissful, peaceful and happy. That is Sattva-guna. Evam prasanna manaso. Sattva-guna means वो खुश रहता है. Rajoguna means disturb. हमेशा disturb. बहाना ढूंढ लेगा डिस्टर्ब होने का, लेकिन वैसे डिस्टर्ब रहता है. वो खुश नहीं रह सकता. खुश रहने के लिए भगवान की कृपा चाहिए. सत्वगुण. और उसके भी ऊपर कौन सा गुण है? भगवत भक्ति. वो उसके जैसे तमोगुण में कोई जप करता है, मन कर रहा है जब बंद करूं और 2 घंटा जाके सो जाऊं, तब आपको पता चलना चाहिए अभी तमोगुण का प्रभाव है आप में. ठीक है? भगवान कृपा करो, आपका जप नहीं कर पा रहे. रजोगुण में जप करता है आदमी, हाथ में माला है लेकिन नाम भी जो कर रहा है हरे कृष्णा, लेकिन रजोगुण प्रभाव में क्या है? मन इंद्रिय भोग की वस्तु के पीछे भागता रहता है. वो बड़ा अच्छा था, वो बहुत सुंदर था. अभी रजोगुण का प्रभाव है. ठीक है? भगवान की कृपा. जपा चालू रखो, जपा बंद नहीं करो. अभी उसी से मिलेगा कृपा, लेकिन अभी कहाँ वो पता होना चाहिए. जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. सपोज यू आर टेकिंग मेडिसिन बट स्टिल यू सी योर टेम्परेचर. नो, टेम्परेचर क्यों देखते हो? बिकॉज यू वांट टू नो वेयर वी आर. And then Satoguna, you are chanting, your mind is not harassing, you are able to hear every word. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Satoguna में निष्ठा बनती है, firm faith. Prabhupada says, ज्ञान, knowledge only manifests in Satoguna. रजोगुण तमोगुण में आपको ज्ञान नहीं मिलेगा. देखो भगवद गीता says, ज्ञान विज्ञान नाशनम. इंद्रिय भोग जो है उसको क्यों बचना चाहिए? ज्ञान विज्ञान नाशनम, सारा ज्ञान नष्ट कर देता है. और सत्व के गुण के ऊपर कृष्ण प्रेम शुरू होता है. उधर जब प्रेम से होता है उसमें आदमी को एफर्ट नहीं लगता. इन सत्वगुणा ऑल्सो इज पुटिंग एन एफर्ट टू चैंट. आई हैव टू चैंट हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे एंड हरे राम राम राम. है करेक्ट. एंड कृष्ण भक्ति जब शुरू होती है तो एफर्ट नहीं लगता, प्रेम से करता है. ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू चैंट, ही इज लुकिंग फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी. दैट्स कॉल्ड रागानुगा भक्ति. साधना भक्ति, रागानुगा भक्ति. शुरू में हम लोग साधना भक्ति में है. श्रद्धा, साधु संगा, भजन क्रिया, अनर्थ निवृत्ति, निष्ठा. तो आप ले लो साधना भक्ति. इसके ऊपर शुरू होती है रागानुगा भक्ति. रागानुगा भक्ति में नाउ वन अटैचमेंट स्टार्ट्स टू द लॉर्ड. कहाँ से शुरू होता है? रुचि, अटैचमेंट. नाउ रुचि, व्हेन यू आर चैंटिंग, ग्रेट प्लेजर. ठीक है. रुचि, आसक्ति, भावा, एंड इट कीप्स डेवलप प्रेम. प्रेम में यू कैन गो टू द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड. उसमें भी देर आर डिफरेंट मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ कृष्णाज मर्सी, लेवल्स ऑफ कृष्णाज मर्सी. कैसे बोल सकते हैं? जितना मर्सी गोपीज को मिलता है उतना ना other plants and animals, they don't get that much mercy. Gopis take maximum mercy. So it is not that Krishna is partial. अब भाई ऐसा है, भगवान किसी को रजोगुण दे दिए, किसी को तमोगुण दे दिया, मैं क्या करूं? जैसे आजकल क्या बोलते हैं लोग, इट इज़ इन माई हार्मोन्स. किसी को बोलो कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ, इट इज़ इन माई हार्मोन्स. ये क्या बकवास है? क्या बोल सकते हैं क्या? एनिमल कैन सी दैट, मनुष्य नहीं बोल सकता. जानवर को बोला आपने ये बैल को क्यों, शेर को बोला आपने बैल को क्यों मारा, इट इज़ इन माई हार्मोन्स. क्या कर सकता हूँ? उसका बिल्कुल इज ए बिहेवियर. ही कैन नॉट कंट्रोल हिमसेल्फ, बट यू कैन नॉट से द सेम थिंग फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग. ह्यूमन बीइंग इज different. You cannot say the same thing of human being. Behavior is different. Correct? He can control himself. So we cannot say the same thing. It's not correct. So Sattvagun mein, so this is the behavior. So in when they become pure devotee में भी अलग अलग standards आ जाते हैं. There is, as a devotion advances. In fact, Bhagavatam, there is a very nice comparison. It says, not even Bhagavatam, this is not beyond Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. It says, just like you go ether, water, air, fire and earth. One by one, qualities increase. Earth में 5 qualities रहती है ना. रूपा, गंधा, स्पर्शा, correct? शब्दा, रसा. सो लेकिन एक के बाद एक, फायर में एक क्वालिटी कम हो गया, एयर में एक क्वालिटी, ऐसे क्वालिटीज कम होता रहता है. द सेम वे द लव ऑफ कृष्णा, प्योर डिवोशन ऑल्सो एक्सपैंड्स हायर एंड हायर इन द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड. शांत रस में कुछ क्वालिटी है, लेकिन दास्य रस में उसमें और क्वालिटीज ऐड होती हैं, साख्य में और होती हैं, वात्सल्य में और, माधुर्य में मैक्सिमम क्वालिटी द मैनिफेस्ट. इवन इन माधुर्य वी कैन से व्हाट समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. Maximum quality that manifest in the gopis. There is Madhurya also is Swakiya and Parakiya. And then in the Parakiya, the gopis come, and in the gopis, the highest gopis are Radharani and Chandravali. And among them, Radharani is the highest. So maximum mercy was got Radharani. So we can understand in this way. Actually, it's true. Radharani's position is not, she is not a jiva. She is Krishna's Hladini Shakti. But as an understanding, she is the highest mercy potential of the Lord. Okay? So it is for us. Krishna can give mercy unlimitedly. But ये mercy बाद में आएगी devotion की. At least now we should be away from the modes. जैसे आप बहुत बीमार हैं, ठीक है, ऐसा समझिए. So first doctor will give you some medication. What the first level the medication will do? It will remove your fever. 105 ले लीजिए तमोगुण, 102 रजोगुण, 98.4 सत्वगुण, no fever. उसके बाद फीवर भी खत्म होने के बाद, suppose you had some big disease like malaria, everybody gets there. Then what is the next thing? You're weak. बहुत फिजिकली बिल्कुल दम नहीं होता ना. मलेरिया के बाद you lose all energy, you're fully crushed. You got malaria? Never got, huh? You got? Appa? Here Mangalore everybody gets 10 times at least. Outsiders we get. Here local people resistant to malaria. So what happens, when you get up from malaria, you have seen somebody after malaria, no energy only, fully crushed. So then you have to gain energy. Great. So doctor's kindness is manifested from pulling you from 105 to 102 to 98 and then giving you strength, giving you a nice tonic, B complex, so that you become fully healthy, you can walk. Great. The same way, in the beginning, when we take up to Krishna consciousness, the kindness of Krishna is in removing us from tamoguna, taja rajas tamo bhava, kamolobha. How do you know? There is no lust, there is no greed in the heart. Krishna is very kind. I am so thankful. पहले उतना ही दिखता है. And then you enter into devotion, but there is no strength. And real strength in serving Krishna is like the gopis, correct? The highest service. So gradually. So Krishna's mercy is bestowed. Does not matter where you are situated. It is not that Krishna's service I cannot do because I am in Tamoguna. Do whatever you can do. Okay? You do what you can do. But slowly as it increases, you come to pure devotion. And then you serve Krishna with pure love. And that means we can know he has received mercy of Krishna. So Prabhupada said something more. When somebody receives mercy of Krishna, we should take it blessing, not get envious. ये भी दूसरा नाटक शुरू होता है. Just like Srila Prabhupada, his guru ordered, spread this mission all around the world. Spreading Krishna consciousness is not like a normal propaganda. It's not just a propaganda. People accepting Krishna consciousness is not easy. Krishna Shakti vina na hoy parivartana. It requires Krishna Shakti to inspire people to surrender to Krishna. Correct? You should have something you can give. अगर हमारे पास नहीं हम नहीं दे सकता. So if I have a desire to serve Krishna, I can inspire other person also. Just like a candle is lighted, it can light another candle. If it is not lighted, it cannot light. Correct? जैसे हम ये आरती के लिए करते हैं, अगर माचिस नहीं जली है तो दिया भी नहीं जलेगा. कॉमन सेंस है. तो हमारा दिल नहीं जला है तो हम किसी को इंस्पायर नहीं कर सकते. करेक्ट? तो कैसे पता है कि माचिस जल रही है? देखो दिए जले क्या? That means you can माचिस जल रही है. If somebody can inspire people to surrender to Krishna, it is not easy. That means he should have the desire. So it's very easy to know a great devotee by seeing his work. But then what happened? His movement exploded all around the world. But some of the God brothers, they thanked him, they hugged him. Unimaginable. What Guru wanted this, you did it. Guru का आदेश सबको करना है. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted, Goswamis wanted. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, when the day will come, that British, French, all the people will dance together and chant Jai Sachidanandana, come to Mayapur. When it will happen? He was desiring. And he was forecast soon it is going to happen, it is going to happen. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada tried his best. He said, but it will happen one day, it will happen. Maybe not in my lifetime, it will happen. All were desiring. It was clear, black and white. Prabhupada did it. He did it. He established a mission of his spiritual master or Lord Chaitanya. So some people could not appreciate. What is this? He is simply a businessman. They could not understand. They could not appreciate. So when somebody gets mercy of Krishna, we should be very, very rather take his blessings. That is spiritual life. Material life means we get envious. I remember there was two devotees. They had gone to sell books. क्या करने गए थे? किताब बेचने गए थे. So they were on KG Road in Bangalore, Kasturba Gandhi Road. देखा है? नहीं वही important Majestic का. So when they were selling books, what happened? One person sold 10 Gitas. Other person could not sell a single Gita. So he came and told me, जो next to preach कर रहा था, मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना कर रहा था, ये किताब नहीं बिकनी चाहिए. ईशा अरे उसने 10 बेच दी, मेरा एक नहीं बिका. बड़ा सोचता है हीरो है, एक नहीं, अब नहीं बिकना चाहिए उसका. मतलब दैट इज कॉल्ड एनवी. सो वी शुड बी रादर थैंकफुल. प्रभु जी इससे थोड़ा आशीर्वाद दे दो, हमसे तो बिक नहीं रहा. बट उल्टा, एग्रीड, पॉसिबल दैट इज. इसका नहीं होना चाहिए, इसका मंदिर नहीं बनना चाहिए. वी कैन ऑल वी डू ईशा. व्हाई यू वांट टू डू दैट? व्हाई यू वांट टू डू? You're forgotten. Your focus has changed from Krishna to yourself. Our focus should be, let Krishna be worshipped. That way our focus should be. But at the same time, at different levels, our mercy, we see somebody is free from Rajoguna, Tamoguna, he has got mercy of Krishna. We see somebody has taste for chanting the holy name of the Lord, he got mercy of Krishna. Correct? We see Krishna has developed intense inspiration. He is able to inspire a lot of people to become devotees. He is always naturally eager to preach and inspire people lovingly to come to Krishna consciousness. Correct? He has got a lot of mercy of Krishna. And somebody is Leela Smaran, absorbed in Krishna's pastime. He is greatest devotee. He has got so much mercy. So we seek blessings. It is said in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says different degrees of devotees should be given different kind of respect. Kanishta Adhikari means he is doing devotional service, but he is still disturbed. Okay, we should give him respect because he's chanting names of the Lord. Okay. And Madhyam Adhikari, now he is very fixed up in service to the Lord. Okay, Satvik. So we should pay him obeisance. So even respect should be more. Correct? We seek more his blessings. And somebody, Uttama Adhikari, is absorbed in Samadhi on Krishna Leela, we should surrender to him. Correct? So this is the 3 ways. Actually, it is very nicely explained that this is there. So anyway, anybody having received, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, somebody chants name of Krishna once, he is a Vaishnava. Once. Krishna, हो गया, वैष्णव हो गया. तो उसको मन में रेस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. होगा भगवान का नाम जप करता है, you have to respect him, but you respect in the mind. But you see somebody now every day sitting down chanting very attentively 16 rounds, pay him obeisances. He deserves now respect more. It's not that we think of ourselves, so I am chanting so people should give respect to me. No, we should think about other person. अपना सोचते हैं, हाँ अभी इतना स्टेटस मिल गया, अभी इतना स्टेटस मिल गया. Then somebody is absorbed in Krishna, we should surrender to him. Take a whole day absorbed in Krishna's mission. So there were different levels, correct? That's how Nectar of Instruction defines. Srila Prabhupada ki